OmniAvatar is an open-source project co-developed by Zhejiang University and Alibaba Group, released in June 2025. It is a cutting-edge, audio-driven, full-body digital human generation model that produces natural, expressive virtual human videos using just a single reference image, audio input, and optional text prompts. OmniAvatar represents a major leap forward in digital human technology with its high-fidelity lip-sync, full-body motion generation, and scene-aware interaction. So, what makes it special? Most avatar tools focus only on the face, maybe a little head movement. OmniAvatar breaks that standard by bringing the whole body to life, from gestures and position to facial expression and motion. The avatars don't just talk, they perform, waving, dancing, gesturing naturally, and reacting to what's said. The core technology is based on diffusion models and a technique called pixel-wise multi-hierarchical audio embedding. In short, the AI listens to the audio and synchronizes every aspect of the voice, rhythm, pitch, emotion, with corresponding mouth shapes and body movements, down to the pixel level. That guarantees frame-perfect lip sync, as well as realistic, smooth movement. To keep it all efficient, OmniAvatar uses LoRa fine-tuning, an ingenious technique that overlays lightweight adapter layers atop an existing pre-trained model, instead of retraining everything from scratch. This keeps it fast, adaptable, and avoids overfitting. And since it's multimodal, you can add text prompts to guide gestures, emotion, and even setting like excited presenter in a studio or serene teacher in a classroom. It provides 31 languages, maintains identity on longer videos, more than 10 seconds, and can even simulate human-object interaction, like grasping an object or pointing at on-screen text. That makes it especially powerful for e-commerce demos, virtual training, or media content. In live demonstrations, OmniAvatar has stunned people by having avatars sing podcast personalities, and virtual news anchors read the news in multiple languages with expressive, lifelike performances. The results are smoother and more human-like than previous models, and researchers say it significantly boosts the realism and control of AI avatars. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.